Welcome to Roll for Sushi. Let's roll. Fisherman's Inventory. 2. Chutoro. Medium fatty tuna. Here is a belly side with more fat in it, and here is a body side that's more lean. Sushi Polymorph. 12. Chef's Choice. For tuna, my favorite way is to eat nigiri with it, so let's make thin slices. As I'm working more up towards the saku, it becomes more fatty, as you can tell by the color change. On about 15 grams of seasoned rice. A little dab of wasabi. Place your rice ball and squeeze, rotate, squeeze. Mercer's. 6. Sesame seeds and green onions. For a change, we picked up this Tokyo negi. It's humongous. Let's go ahead and dice it up. Interestingly, it has this pith that tastes like a garlic. Place some on top. For sesame seeds, let's use these black ones. Finishing touches from the Magic Tavern. 12. Midas Touch. 2. Caviar. This tiny puck was over $40. It's a little briny and it's very creamy. I think it's going to complement the fattiness of the chutoro really well. That looks fantastic. Let's give it a try. Wow. I love fatty tuna. It's like butter. As soon as it hits the tongue, it starts to melt. It's rich and smooth. And the caviar? I don't want to be snooty, but it adds a nice creaminess behind that adds another dimension to a favorite. That piece had more sesame seed, which adds a nice nuttiness layer too. I was worried about the Tokyo negi, but it has a more of a garlicky flavor and firmer texture that just adds the nice texture and bite that it needs. 9.6 out of 10, and last piece to Camera Woman.